恭喜发财。
Hi, today I want to show you how to run LTX-2 first last frame video on my 8GB of VRAM. I have done another LTX-2 tutorial before. You can check out that one as well because I'm not going to all the details again. First thing is you can go to this website to find the workflows. There's a first last frame guide node in place node. To be honest, I tried both. In my case, they are not much difference. And there's also a first, middle, last frame, but you should try out both. Maybe in your use case it's different. Let's go to Config UI, and I'm going to use the same images from my older tutorial WAN 2.2 first last frame, but I'm not going to compare the result with WAN 2.2 because this one is with sound and I can run much higher resolution than WAN 2.2. But in general, what I found, this is much faster than WAN 2.2. At the moment, I'm using Q6_K, but I have tried Q8, and that worked as well. So let me try Q8, GGUF. I will also put the link for the model download, but for the details, you can check out my older tutorial for LTX-2. In this tutorial, I'm going to use the detailer as well. And you can find the LoRA here, and I'm using this here. And here is the clip loader. For details, you can check out my older video, and this is my video VAE, and here is the audio VAE, and there's also the upscaler. And here, as you can see here, I am using a very high resolution for my 8GB of VRAM. So in my WAN 2.2, I think the highest I got 512. And also in WAN 2.2, I only use 16 frames per second. Okay, this is the duration for this video clip. I have also noticed if you try to put a longer duration here, make sure you have more details in the prompt. Otherwise, it will try to do a little action in a long sequence, and it becomes a slow motion video clip. And I also added slow motion in the negative prompt. I don't think it's working anyway. Let me change the seed a little bit to get a different video. Okay, and now let's run. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the time. 462 seconds. That's less than 10 minutes. That's beautiful, very nice, very quick. So let's check the result. This is my first image, and the last image, the tiger has been knocked out by the boy and is lying there. So my description is saying that the tiger is jumping in to attack the boy. For some reason, it's really hard to get the attack. Somehow it just doesn't work. Even when I try to increase the CFG here, I couldn't get it work. Like the boy is attacked by the tiger and he punched the tiger and knocked it down. One thing I want you to be aware of is the last image of the video is not exactly the given last image. If you look at these prompting tips, it's also showing the reference image is basically is referring to the last image is not exactly the image. Do not repeat the details already presented. I don't think that's always true. I can show you my example in the intro of the tutorial. So this is my last image, and this is the last image, and this is the last image of my generated video. So you can see it basically the head has changed, the costume has changed. What I want to show you is in the original image, I try to put US dollars in his hands, and it come out similar, but it's not, doesn't look like US dollar. But what I have done is I already put US dollar in the prompt. I can show you if I don't put the US dollar in the prompt, it's even worse. So this is the clip with the US dollar in the prompt, and this is without US dollar in the prompt. So you can see he's just holding some random paper. Okay, now let me try another run of first and last frame using these example images from last time VRAM 2.2. First last frame, this is fighting in the street, and this is supposed to be last frame, the man walked away. And for this test, I'm going to use Q8. Let me change the seed a little bit, just to make sure I'm getting another video. And now run it. Okay, it's done. Okay, you can see it has skipped quickly the first image and jumped to the wide angle. Let's check out the sound. Okay, I'm happy with that, very nice. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is using first, middle, and last frame. Let me grab the workflow here. And this is my first frame, middle frame. He just kicked him down. And the last frame, he just walked away. So let's run this. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the time. 391 seconds. That's less than 400 seconds. That's really good. Let's check out the result. Okay, it does hit. Not too bad, but somehow it's a little bit slow motion. Okay, I really like LTX-2 first last frame video generation because I can run it in higher resolution without getting out of memory, and also it's faster. And the other thing is I can make people talking in the video. So I guess I will use this more than the VRAM 2.2. Maybe I only use VRAM 2.2 for music video, but still the resolution is quite low without getting the out of memory. So if you have any questions, just put it in the comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.